Hi, this is Baron from Ragic. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way of using formulas for strings in your database. I'm just going to add these first name and last name fields together to get a full name. So let's get started by clicking on one of your entries. This will take you to the form page. I'm going to change design here to go to design mode and add a new field called full name. And what I'm going to do is click on the formula tab over here and directly write the field headers, so A1 plus A2. I need to add a space in between, so to get that space I'm going to add a couple apostrophes with a space in between, so yes. So what you'll notice is when you save your design, this is not going to calculate this automatically at first for your existing entries. So when I write something new here, it will do that, but if you want it to appear automatically for all of your existing entries, then you'll have to recalculate this field, the full name field, for each of your entries, and this can be done by the design mode. So there's an advanced setting in the formula tab. When you click that, you can apply this formula to all saved records, which will take a longer time if you have a lot of entries. And you can see that it's calculated in all of your entries after that. So if you just want to display full name on your listing page, you can do that by hitting change design from the listing page and adding full name from here and add it wherever you want. You can remove some fields that you don't want to display on your listing page, that's fine. It's still in your database, the fields are still there when you click on the form page, so it all depends on what you want to see at a first glance.